So today we decided to film a very cozy day at home, so let's get started. So of course, first things first was to jump into the shower. So here I'm using the Cleanse and Reconstruct shampoo by Pamper. This is perfect for greasy roots and damaged ends. So the deep cleanse shampoo is actually infused with rose water, it's free from silicones, and it actually smells insane.
Yeah, he would tell me we have time to laugh and time to heal.
Okay, so moving on to the conditioner, this one is deeply nourishing. It also is very hydrating for your hair, and it is the perfect remedy for greasy roots. Honestly, after using this, my hair felt so soft and looked so healthy. Honestly, it's probably the best it's looked in a long while, and I definitely have found my new hair routine. And lastly, we have the mask, which is a tailored blend of nutrients. So this actually instantly repairs damaged hair, which could be caused from styling. So with this, you just massage it onto the lengths and tips of your hair, and then you leave that in for a maximum of 2 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Okay, so using these 3 new products, I've actually noticed that I've been able to leave my hair a lot longer before needing to wash it again. So yeah, honestly, for all my greasy hair girls out there, this is perfect for you.
Something in the atmosphere. You're always here, you always here. Time to laugh.
Okay, so this morning Ayse was on tea duty.
My favorite song is on repeat. Drinking wine until the dawn. Knowing soon we'll be back home. Ooh.
And of course, there is nothing better than getting cozy than putting on your slippers. And for anyone wondering, these are actually from Tesco's. They are so soft. Okay, and then it was time for us to dry our hair. So here you can see we are using the Babyliss hair brushes. These are the heat ones. Honestly, yeah, I really recommend. I will say usually when I get to this point after my shower, I'm usually struggling to still get some knots out of my hair. But since using the routine that I have been, especially the mask, I highly recommend. My hair has never felt so soft. So yeah, 100%. As you can see here, our hair is so soft, shiny, and very healthy looking. So yeah, we're very impressed. So be sure to make sure you check out the description, and we'll leave all of the products that we use there down below. So yeah.
Head up in the clouds, oh my, since I met you. Heart out of my sleeve, now what will I do? You celebrate me like no other man. My femininity takes off like a champagne bottle. The sun has been outshine. The planet's totally alive. I'm pretty. I'm pretty. Red lips, red fingertips, red lights every night. Since I met you, it's been somehow rational's been flushed down the toilet by us.
start to get a little bit peckish now. It was coming up to lunchtime and Ayse decided to make us both a sandwich. We're both really into sandwiches at the moment, so yeah, today's was a chicken salad sandwich.
My femininity takes off like a champagne bottle. The sun has been outshine. The planet's totally alive. I'm beaten. They're beaten. I'm beaten.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference, so you make me strong.
So we then sat down and decided to get into the Halloween spirit, and yeah, we put on Addams Family. We haven't watched that in so long.
From within, I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that.
So here we're just having a little tidy up. It's just really nice just to keep on top of it. Just saves it getting really messy.
Rising up and above, you will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
Right, so I finally got round to decluttering my drawers. I've been wanting to do this for so long. So here is first my PJ drawer. I was dying to get rid of some of my old pajamas.
She stands by the window, stares at the morning sun. She hopes for a clear view before the day is done.
Okay, so then next up I was tackling my jeans. I'm pretty sure I do still have some more to put in here, but they might be at Ben's. But yeah, someone actually told me that I should have done the rolling effect, so I think I might have to redo that and try that.
All through the night, no end in sight.
Next up we have sweaters. This is definitely not the only drawer. I do have another one that I didn't actually manage to do today. Also, I've been getting a lot of questions about the sweater. That one is actually like a friend's thing that I saw that Rachel used to wear. I actually got that on Amazon and I love it. So this drawer was kind of like my gym wear, shorts, like lounge trousers. So this one wasn't too bad to do.
The mirror night, I make it so hard to tell wrong from right. No end in sight.
So here's Ayse just showing me the sweets that we actually got in a goodie bag from PLT, which actually smell insane and also were very yummy. And lastly, this was the dreaded top drawer. Honestly, as you guys may or may not know, I have so many bloody tops, so that was a difficult one. And then yeah, we just wrapped up the day. We spent the evening with my friend Danny and just chilled out. So we really hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up and we'll catch you in our next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.